How to care for a Pixie-bobcat. Pixie-bobcats are a popular domestic breed, known for their brown spotted coats and bobbed tails. Some varieties of Pixie-bob are polydactyl, where they have more than 5 toes. Pixie-bobs are considered loyal and smart cats. You can care for a Pixie-bob cat properly by feeding and grooming the cat on a regular basis. You should also keep the Pixie-bob cat happy and healthy with trips to the vet and daily attention. Part 1. Feeding a Pixie-bobcat. Give the cat high-quality food. Feed your Pixie-bob a diet of high-quality dry and canned food. Pixie-bobcats are not known to be fussy about what they eat and will respond well to a mix of dry and canned cat food. You may also feed your cat freshly cooked meat as long as it does not contain bones. Make sure you stick to the same high-quality brand food for your cat, as this will ensure they get used to the food and can digest it easily. You may ask your vet for recommendations on food brands for your Pixie-bobcat. Provide fresh water for the cat. Your cat should have access to fresh water in a porcelain or ceramic water bowl. Fill up your cat's bowl with fresh water every day and/or at every mealtime. Do not give the cat cow's milk, as this can actually cause digestion issues for the cat. Stick to fresh water only. Have a regular feeding schedule. Put your Pixie-bobcat on a regular feeding schedule, where they have their meals at the same time every day. You may write out a feeding schedule and post it where you can see it easily so you know when to feed the cat. Regulating your cat's meals will also ensure they do not go hungry or bother you about food until mealtime. Do not overfeed the cat or give the cat human food, as this can lead to weight gain and obesity. You may decide to invest in a food dispenser that dispenses the cat's food on a timer. This may be ideal if you travel often or are away from home and want to ensure the cat still gets its food. Part 2. Grooming a Pixie-bobcat. Brush the cat on a weekly basis. Pixie-bobs can have short or long coats. Either way, they are easy to groom and require combing or brushing on a weekly basis. You may use a grooming brush to give the cat a light brushing once a week to maintain its coat. 3. Brush your cat's entire coat, from their head to their tail. Most cats enjoy a brushing session with their owner as a way to bond. Trim their nails. You should also trim the cat's nails so they do not get too long. Nails that are too long can end up carrying bacteria and increase the cat's risk of an infection. You can use a special nail trimmer for cats or a small nail trimmer. To get the cat to stay still during the nail trim, you may try putting a clean towel over its head, leaving its paws exposed. Hold the cat in your lap with the towel over its head and trim its nails so they do not get too long. You can also invest in nail caps for your cat to protect their nails and prevent them from getting too long. Getting your cat a scratching pad that they can scratch and play with can also help to keep their nails short and under control. Check their ears. You should also get in the habit of checking your cat's ears on a weekly basis. You may squeeze in an ear check at the end of their brushing session, when they are relaxed and calm. Look for any signs of redness inside their ears or on their ear flap. You should also check for a bad smell coming out of their ears, as these could be a sign of an infection. 5. If the cat's ears appear dirty, use a cotton ball dampened with water or an animal ear cleanser to clean them. If you suspect your cat may have an ear infection, bring them to the vet right away. Brush their teeth. As part of your grooming routine, you should brush your cat's teeth with toothpaste that is approved by your vet and meant for animal use. Brushing your cat's teeth on a consistent basis can ensure their dental health is good and that they have fresh breath. Try to brush your cat's teeth at least 2 to 3 times a week. You should try to get your cat used to regular teeth brushing early so they become used to it and consider it part of their grooming routine. Schedule monthly visits to a professional groomer. If you feel overwhelmed about doing all the grooming for your cat yourself, you may bring your cat to a professional groomer. Look for a groomer who has worked with Pixie-bobcats in the past and ask around for recommendations from friends or family who own cats. A professional groomer can help to ensure your cat looks clean and healthy on a regular basis. If you find professional grooming expensive, you may only bring the cat to the groomer several times a year or before a big event, such as a cat show or a stay with friends while you are out of town. Part 3. Keeping a Pixie-bob cat happy and healthy one. Give the cat daily affection and attention. Like most cat breeds, Pixie-bobcats respond well to daily attention and affection from their owner. Take the time to pet and scratch your cat at least once a day. You may also spend time snuggling the cat on the couch or in bed to show your affection. You should also try to have at least one play session a week with the cat as a way to show them attention. Play with a favorite toy or scratch pad. You may take the cat on a walk around the neighborhood on a leash and collar, if the cat shows an interest in doing this. Expect the cat to be loyal and quiet. Pixie-bob cats are known to be a loyal breed, showing affection and care for their owner. They are also fairly quiet cats, as they are not known to be very vocal or aggressive. Pixie-bobs can be quite smart, making them ideal family pets. You may notice that your Pixie-bob cat will greet you when you come through the door, much like a dog would. This is one sign of their loyalty to their owner and their social nature towards those close to them. Bring the cat to the vet on a regular basis. Pixie-bob cats are known to be a relatively healthy breed and are not at risk of any particular medical issues or conditions. You should still make sure the cat sees the vet on a regular basis to ensure they are in the best of health. Some Pixie-bob cats can be sensitive to certain vaccines. Your vet should be able to advise you on the best course of action if your Pixie-bob cat becomes ill or develops a health issue.